Wow. Welcome back. We are here now again the same wave view. Okay. Okay. Can you see those? That's really nice. Alright. Okay. We're gonna give you a tour downstairs. We're gonna give you a tour downstairs.
That's a sea?
Right? We're gonna give you a tour downstairs and you're gonna go with me. Come.
Okay.
Gusto mo itago na? Okay, it's kind of nice.
Look. Very nice.
See?
Woo. There's many chocolates. Look. 10 pesos. See? 10 pesos. 5 pesos. One jar, 5 pesos. A 10 pesos jar. Bottle.
Yan.
Hello. Hello, little boy.
Come here. Okay, can you see those? That's pretty nice. That's not pretty nice. That's really nice. Ako nakuha mo. Okay.
Try gamit nyo, punta ka na sa job.
Okay. Yeah.
Kati-kati niyan eh.
Okay, I'm gonna give you again update when we go back home. Bye.